Hi, this is Raji. All of us have our own set of beliefs that shape our lives. This set of beliefs affects what we think about ourselves, others, and the world at large. It also greatly influences our emotions and actions. Consequently, it also affects how successful and happy we are. That's why beliefs are so important and worth examining and understanding. So today's topic is about how to change our belief system. A belief is something we consider to be a fact. It's anything that we assume to be true. We use our beliefs to understand and navigate this world. We also use our beliefs to keep us safe. When we are born, we enter this world with a clean slate and without preconceived beliefs. Our parents and environment play a big part in molding our beliefs from a very young age. Our schools and our friends also play an important part. So, we are also greatly influenced by our classmates in school. Let's assume you are bullied by other kids. I experienced a lot. They might continually tell you that you are fat, ugly, or uncool. After a while, you might start believing this to be fact and start perceiving yourself as fat, ugly, and uncool. Or the kids at school may be physically abusive to you. Consequently, you may start to infer from this that you are weak because of your inability to defend yourself and start believing it to be fact. Think about how you act automatically when crossing a busy street because you have been taught and hold the belief that the situation can be dangerous. You automatically look both ways to make sure the street is clear before you cross. It's an automatic response. Similarly, we have hundreds, even thousands or millions of other beliefs that create automatic thoughts and responses. Many of these beliefs are true and serve us well, but there are even more that are not based on fact and only serve to hold us back in a negative way. When we accept something to be fact and form a belief, it's stored in our subconscious mind. Our subconscious mind doesn't know or care if the belief is true or false. So now imagine how we will think, feel, and act. Let me talk about examples of limiting and empowering beliefs. So, limiting belief, that means I need to be wealthy to be happy. This is example. In empowering belief, I can choose to be happy no matter what the circumstances. This way you broad your mind. In the same way, limiting belief. My body type is such that I can't lose weight no matter what I do. But in empowering belief, I can be slim and healthy if I exercise and eat right. In the same way, limiting belief. I will never be successful unless I have a master's degree. But in empowering belief, my success is determined by how hard I work rather than my education level. So, limiting belief. I am not a good public speaker and will embarrass myself if I speak on stage. But in the same way, empowering belief. I can speak about any subject if I research and prepare myself. So, those are just a few examples. Remember, we tend to do everything possible to validate and reinforce our beliefs. We will think, feel, and act accordingly. It's like a self fulfilling prophecy. That's how powerful our beliefs are. Of course, yes. Once you have identified your limiting beliefs, It's time to replace them with empowering ones. This is a simple task that requires repetition and effort. This is because we have spent years and years subscribing to and reinforcing our limiting beliefs, so they have become ingrained. But the great news is that these beliefs can be undone and substituted with ones that will empower us. We can then replace them with ones that will empower us in ways that we never imagined. Now ask yourself, what do you believe? So, at last, change the belief and you automatically get to change. Thank you. Thank you so much.